Hello, this is a recording for Thursday, January 29th. Today's practice is titled Discomfort Diffusing and can be used to care for chronic pain or any type of temporary discomfort. This concludes the section titled For Your Body, and tomorrow we will move to the next type of practices in the section For Your Mind. For now, take a comfortable position and mentally scan your body, looking for any one area that might feel tense, achy, dull, or in any way not feeling at its best. Choose just one area to focus on. Bring undivided awareness to this one area. And now keep awareness there, but allow it to diffuse. Less focus, more diffuse, like a cloud of awareness rather than a point. Feel that as your awareness diffuses, the area of tension or dullness also disperses. Tension, ache, discomfort, breaking up, dispersing. As you do this, keep taking relaxed, satisfying breaths in and out. Keep effortless awareness on the area of your body that is hurting or in some kind of discomfort. Diffuse attention. Discomfort diffusing. Continue breathing in this easeful way, diffusing discomfort, diffusing your attention. Effortless awareness. Diffuse like a cloud. And as your awareness diffuses, tension, ache, dullness, discomfort also diffuses. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy the discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.